Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 970 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to open the menu. To do that, press and hold the up button. Once the menu opens, you should see the watch face option. Tap on it. And here, by default, you will have only one watch face if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. But we can add more. Basically, you can tap on Add New. It will show you templates. You can scroll through the list of templates, look for something you like. And once you find the one you like, you can simply tap on it to select it, and it will be added to the watch face list. Now we have two of them, as you can see. And you can add as many as you want. And once you add the watch face to the list, you can basically apply it. So you can find the watch face you want to apply, you can tap on it, and it will be applied. You can also customize the watch faces. So if you don't like something on your watch face, but you like the overall like look, but you want to change something, you can always press the upper button, the start button. It will open this menu, and then you can change the data, accent color, data color. And for some watch faces, even more things, but this one allows you only to change the data, accent color, and data color. If you select data, it will basically allow you to change the widgets on your watch face, the data being displayed. So you can select the pool, and then you can change it by swiping up and down on the screen. Sometimes selecting the data pool is a bit annoying. But on this watch face we have 3 of them, and you can change whatever you like. Okay, and then you can press the start button to apply the changes. Let's try another thing. Okay, then we can press the back and tap on accent color, for example. Change the color of accents. Then we can press the start button and change, for example, data color. Okay, and then press the start button. And once you're done, you can tap on apply. And the watch face will be applied with your changes. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.